birthday. Here we are. Here we are. Woo! Stand by, guys. Is the man himself in the room? There he is. Okay, Robert, he's up after me and I will let you know when to go. All right. Happy birthday to one of my very favorite people in the entire world. And I even have a little sign up there for you. See that? Happy birthday, Chocolate Johnny. Welcome to our guest of honor, Chocolate Johnny. If you have not been in this Perry train, this is a Perry train for one of my favorite people in the world's birthday, Chocolate Johnny. He's right there and you need to be following him if you're not already, but I know that a lot of you have heard me say an awful lot about him over the last while. So, Chocolate Johnny, it's Jana Steels, or as only you can call me, Yana. I'm scoping live here from my office here in Salt Lake City, Utah. And some of you know him as Chocolate Johnny, some of you know him as CJ, some of you know him as John Kapos, some of you know him as Yanni Kapoulianopoulos. That's your handsome Greek name, isn't it? And who I just like to call simply John. Without you, how would I have ever known that in Australia people piss themselves laughing? Or I would have never heard of, see, I'm shaking so much. I'm shaking. I would have never heard of the sack whack or wanka or some of these other Aussie terms that you're so good at saying. But in all seriousness though, John, I hope you feel extra special today. And this is what you do for other people every single day. You give them a huge smile on their face. You make people feel special every single day, and you really live to send joy to other people. And that is just, it's something that's obviously unique, and it's so special, and it's wonderful, and it's inspiring. You inspire people every single day, and more than anything, you send us joy and you make us smile. And I'll never forget when you came into my scope the very first time. I literally couldn't believe it, and I got kind of like I am now, all verklempt, and I was so nervous and I couldn't believe it, and I got distracted, but little did I know that an unbelievable friendship was about to take place. And you literally are one of my favorite friends in the entire world, and I'm so grateful to this amazing technology, Periscope, for bringing you into my life. And I know that I do not speak only for me, and obviously this Perry train is proof of all of that. And I'm sorry I'm not reading the comments, but anyway, Johnny, I hope that you have a cracker of a birthday, and thank you so much for making me smile and for making my sweet daughter Jane, who I'm sure a lot of you have heard about on his scopes, make her feel like such a special girl. So happy birthday, John. And I know that Robert Stern is up next, and I set a timer. This song is exactly 4 minutes long, and I didn't want to go too long, and I've been so nervous that I was gonna cry that I made sure to get all that out already. But is Stasi in the room? I think he is, but I was trying to text you earlier, Stasi, and ask you, how do I respectfully call him a malaka? Because I know that's a Greek thing, and I didn't want to say it in the mean way, I wanted to say it in the nice way. So, there you go, 4 minutes, boom. I just did. Malaka! In a nice way, with much respect, okay? Yanni Kapoulianopoulos. Happy birthday to you, my friend. And it's Jana Steels, periscoping down! Always smile at the end. Okay, go over to Robert Stern, guys. Okay, smile at the end.